So, we are all definitely taking our cleaning habits a lot more seriously now with COVID-19 these last few months. By the way, make sure to check out the source links I provided in the description for this video. Also pay attention to the last one, and it's the most important one that no one is talking about, or actually is aware of its purpose or full potential. Before I begin, make sure to clean your electronics like your smartphone or computer. Also, when doing laundry, you may want to think about cleaning out your hamper after clothes that could contain the virus have sat inside. Wash on the warmest setting, and do not shake any pre-washed laundry, as this could release the virus before it heads into the machine. Regular laundry detergent will work. Now, products that do not work are vodka, homemade hand sanitizer, tea tree oil, and vinegar. There were some discrepancies with using natural products, but for now, it's better to be safe than sorry, since we are all still learning about this virus. Okay, now on to the list of products that is deemed the most effective in destroying the coronavirus. 1. When using bleach, always wear gloves and dilute the solution. 4 teaspoons of bleach to 4 cups of water. Since bleach is a harsh cleaner, also make sure you do a little spot test so you won't damage the surface that you're trying to clean. 2. Hydrogen peroxide is effective at 3%, so no need to dilute the solution, and it's not as intense as bleach. Make sure you spray the surface and let it sit for 1 minute, then clean afterwards. 3. Rubbing alcohol will kill the coronavirus at a concentration level of 70%. Now it's recommended to clean the area with water and detergent. Then let the rubbing alcohol sit for 30 seconds. Afterwards, wipe the area clean. 4. According to EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, the coronaviruses are some of the easiest types of viruses to kill by simply using soap and water, which will do the trick. This is why sources have been stressing on hand washing as a huge importance right now. And finally, the last one is not what you think, but it's about us. Yes, you, me, my neighbor, others in my community, and ultimately being responsible for my country, and then other countries as well. Since we somewhat have an understanding how we can get this coronavirus now, if one person gets it, then it multiplies exponentially so fast that the entire world will get it. So, I'm not only responsible for myself, but to others around me. By the way, I did an in-depth video on the coronavirus discussing about how we can prevent this further and the reasons behind it. I'll provide the link here, and please share it because it's the answer to all our problems happening around the world. So, let's make sure to unite and do this together so we can fight this coronavirus by listening to the guidelines, such as doing social distancing, quarantining ourselves for a good 3 to 4 weeks, even if you don't have it. Let's use this as a good opportunity to reflect and unite around the world, bringing everyone together rather than in separation. Until the next video, guys, be safe and talk to you guys soon. Take care.